If your digestion feels off, if your energy levels are a little bit low, or if you're just feeling very slow this season, this video is for you. In this video, I am going to go over 3 simple ways you can up and boost your gut health during these winter and cold months. So I want you to stick around and get these tips, get your pen and paper, because this is something that you need to know. Remember, gut health doesn't need anything extreme. Sometimes it just needs a little bit of warmth, consistency, and nourishment. Hey everybody, if you don't know who I am Sanaya, and I am the holistic nutritionist that you have been waiting for all along. I am the founder of Self-Love Foundation, an academy for whole food teaching and natural food healing. I help high achievers master their gut health without starvation using the garden method. What's the garden method? The garden method is simply eating from earth. We eat from the nuts, the trees, the berries, the seeds, the fruits, the roots. Without further ado, I'm not going to hold you too long. Let's go ahead and jump into this video. The first thing on the list is to drink warm teas. Especially moringa tea. Why moringa? Moringa is high in iron, potassium, calcium, magnesium, all the things that you're going to need in order to thrive in the winter months. Moringa is rich in minerals, antioxidants, and plant compounds that support gut lining and reduce inflammation. Drinking it warm signals safety to the nervous system, which allows digestion to function more efficiently. Think of warm tea as a gentle reset and not something harsh or stimulating. So I recommend sipping moringa tea first thing in the morning or right before you go to bed, or between meals, especially during the colder months when the body is craving some warmth, especially if you're a woman. Your womb is craving the warmth, okay? The second way to make sure that your gut is thriving in these cold and winter months is to involve your citrus fruits. You want to have your citrus fruits. You want to have your lemons, your oranges, your limes. You want to have your grapefruit. You want to have it lined up, your tangerines, your mandarins, because this is what is grown in this season. We align with nature. We align with what we're wanting to put inside of our bodies. The citrus foods, like all the foods that I named, support digestion by stimulating the digestive enzymes and bile production. So they're high in vitamin C and water content, knowing that this will help hydrate the gut and support a healthy gut microbiome. It could also reduce stagnation in the lymphatic gland and support regular elimination, which is a key foundation to gut health. And the third and last thing that you will be needing to do to make sure that your gut thrives in the winter and the cold months is to make sure that you include some soups inside of your daily regimen. Some soups are going to be that added warmth inside of your body, the warmth that you're going to need to make sure that you have that nourishment for your gut microbiome. Inside of these soups, you want to include your herbs, you want to include your vegetables, you want to include your aromatics, you want to include the spices, you want to include things that is just not chicken and noodles, okay? No shade, just saying. So in these soups are easier to digest, it's easier to process, and it's easier to absorb for that gut microbiome to thrive. There are so many soups that you can do. You have vegetable soups, lentil soups, you have mineral-rich broths, gentle soups, you have gentle stews that can help with inflammation. You also have to give your digestive system a break sometimes in these colder months because everything moves slowly. So this will be best to absorb nutrients more efficiently and support the gut rhythm. So I just want you to know that gut health improves when you improve. When you make the decision to make sure that you are eating in alignment with your gut, with nature, with the seasons, then you will have the best gut health that you can ever imagine. All right, so if you like this video, if you like what I just gave you in the information, check out my channel. Also check out all of the products and meal plans and my new book that is one of the best sellers on Amazon, to make sure you have the gut intelligence that you need to thrive on 2026 and beyond. Check out the description below for any additional links, and don't forget to keep it light, keep it cute, and full of fruit. Y'all, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.